Today we're building 4 chairs and a table. We're going to record it, and it looks pretty easy, but we've done the first one. It took us a while, but then once you've done the first one you can do the second one. It doesn't take so long. So you're going to put one of those with one of them. So that goes in that hole there, and you slide this one up in there. Feels like it's gone in. Yep, it's gone in. But the name of the game is when you tighten up, you don't over tighten, or you can split the wood. And then you've got to order a new part or buy a new piece. The best thing to do is tighten it so it's just slightly loose, and then go around and tighten up after. That's the safest way of doing things. Always make sure it's up the right way. Give the sound man a headache. Now, first thing to do when you open your packet is to get yourself a container of some description and put it all into a container. That way it keeps all your bits together instead of having it all over the carpet and everywhere, because you're bound to lose something. With it comes one of those that's got glue in it. Do not get it over the carpet, it will be a pig to get off. It dries very quickly. It's a proper wood glue. When you cut the lid off, the glue goes round the inside, so when you put the spindles in, the glue will hold it in place. Well, hopefully anyway. Now, these are what we use, a bit like drumsticks. And then you use all your strength, and these are the outside ones. You just push them in. If you see that round the glue, don't worry about it, because that will dry clear. This is going easier. Okay. Right, that's your spindles put in. Make sure they're flat at the base of the chair. If you've got one out of alignment, it will stick up, and this piece that you're going to put on next, which is the back that holds all these together, won't sit properly. Here comes the fun bit. That goes in there. Got it? Good on you.
And that somehow goes in there.
Yeah. No, hopefully.
A note from the cameraman: it's very, very hard to hold the camera and build the chair at the same time. The staying in place.
What is going on?
Then we've got to do it over the other side of the thing.
Yeah. I didn't know whether that was going up or not. And the idea is not to screw right down tight. Go down and do all your tightening up after. Screw it down so you can feel it just biting a bit like that. And then you'll, same with the other one. Keep them in as tight as you can, but not too tight until the end. And right at the very end, go around and tighten all your screws up. See the arrows? We have arrows at the front on the leg spindles. These two, they go to the front of the seating, because it's to do with the way these legs are set. what we've done, we've put the chair legs to the base by using 6 of these screws to hold it down. Right. When you do your chairs, you've got these. They're called end caps. They go in where you put your screws in, just to make it look neat.
Hence the name end.
Yeah. Right, there you go. That's just makes it look neat, and it just follows on with the wood. Right, after all that hard work, once you've done the first one, it became easy, and it didn't take long to do the rest. So as you see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 chairs nicely built, sturdy to sit on. All we've got to do now is just go and find a table and do the table. Right, we're going to build a table that goes with the chairs. Here's all the bits. There's the table bit itself. These are the legs. We've got 4 of those, obviously, so if not it'll fall over. 1, 2, 3, 4, and on the end of the legs you've got the protective covering for the main where the bolts go on to. Obviously they come off, we'll never get the bolts on there. So what we're going to do is we're going to build it, and then we're going to show you what it looks like afterwards when it's all built, and then we'll show you the whole lot together. Well, there you are. 4 chairs, 1 table, nicely made up. Had a helping hand, and didn't take that long at all. It only took us, what, 2 hours, I think, even that. But there you are, peeps, all done, nice, clean, tidy, fresh. Thank you very much, and with that I'd like to say goodbye. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, put a like on it, subscribe to it if you already haven't, and just enjoy it. Oh, and if you put any comments on it, I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Goodbye. See what I mean? Bits fall off when you aren't trying to find the damn things.